for tuning in. Emmanuel here from Your Customs PR. We're here with our shop car. It is a 991.2 Porsche 911 Carrera 2018. We're going to be showing you some of the performance upgrades we're going to be installing on it. Some of them are Vektor performance headers with their Swain tech coating. We're going to do TiAL M660 turbos. We're going to do the TiAL air inlet pipes, as well as the TiAL turbo inlet pipes, coupled with the TiAL upgraded intercoolers. For the exhaust, we're going to do Soul Performance exhaust with their high flow caps, as well as the street package exhaust that they carry with the anti-drone tubes. I'm just going to be showing you like some of the process of getting this done, the differences between the parts, and hopefully we get a video on the end showing you guys how the car sounds. And then later on we're gonna go to the track and test it. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. Right, so here is a view of stock parts. We're gonna be replacing the turbo inlet pipe, the turbocharger for the hybrid TiAL M660s. This is the stock intercooler, which has a really restrictive airflow. We're also gonna be replacing the air inlet pipes. This is how the car is from the factory. Look at the exhaust. I already had upgraded the exhaust tips for the carbon fiber Fabspeed. I'm going to be reusing those. Take a look at how restrictive the header design is from the factory. Okay, now that the bumper has been taken off, we have a better sight of what we're changing. So the turbo inlet pipes are gonna meet with these air inlet pipes, which the factory ones are really restrictive. Here we have a better look at the intercoolers, the factory ones. I also forgot to mention that we're gonna be replacing the air filter with the BMC air filter. This car, I already had done the IPD Intake Plenum. See it back there. So this is how it looks right now, with the bumper off. Here we have a better look at the housing that carries the intercoolers, the air inlet pipes, that meet here to the turbo inlets. I'm also going to be doing a Vektor Performance oil catch can, which basically separates the oil vapors and it prevents them from getting into the engine back again and feeding all the intercoolers and throttle body piping and all that of oil. So I'm actually going to take advantage of this opportunity to show you guys what we have done with the car so far. So one of the mods you can see here is we upgraded the factory rotors with the gyro disc rotors. They are lighter than factory, as well as their surface area is 20 millimeters bigger. So we basically used the factory caliper, which we also redid in Porsche chalk to match with the interior. So you use the caliper, put a spacer in between the calipers that comes with the kit, and space out the caliper further so you get a better brake rotor. I also upgraded the brake lines with stainless steel ones. Here you can see the air struts made by ABP suspension. They retain the factory PASM system. They're basically OEM shocks modified and converted into air. Car rides amazing on them. We did the TiAL side skirts. Went with BC Forge wheels, 21 inches all around. Like I mentioned, I did the calipers in Porsche chalk to match with the interior of the car. Up front here, have the clear side markers, gloss black grills, refinished. Also added the TiAL front lip with a custom Porsche logo. One of the latest mods we've done was fire extinguisher mount from Renline, really clean, love it, with a Safecraft 2.5 pound. Okay guys, so here's a final look at everything before I start installing. Close up of the Vektor performance headers, did the coating, TiAL air inlet pipes, Soul Performance exhaust, TiAL M660 turbos, and the Vektor Performance catch can. Here we have APR R1 Diverter Valves, TiAL turbo inlet pipes, and the TiAL intercoolers. These parts here are really nice. The end caps are 3D printed, as well as these inlet pipes. Okay, here's where the old turbo used to be. We took out the headers. Look at how restricted they are from factory. Here we have them side by side. This is the old one, the new one. Much bigger, different wheel design. detail on the back as well. See how small this one compared to this one. Turbo is in. As you can see here, I just finished installing the passenger side turbo. So the 2 turbos are on, the 2 headers. I'm going to proceed now to install the Sole Performance high flow cats with their exhaust, and then continue to install the intercoolers and all the other piping. Turbos are on. High flow cats are on, as well as the center section. Headers. Now we're going to work on these intercooler cages. We're swapping out the intercooler, the air inlet pipe, as well as the diverter valve for the APR R1